Day 4. Oh fuck. After this, I'm gonna take a shower, get ready for class. I've taken a shower and let's do our skincare. Okay, so I'm ready to take my class. Let's just add some accessories so it's not too bland of an outfit. Yeah, add some rings. I mean this one. And my bracelet, which I got from you know who. And the last step will be applying Vaseline on my lips. Let's just do that real quick. And that's it, it's done. Let's see my skin. I mean, it has calmed down. It's gone down, like literally. I don't feel any bumps, but that's it. I guess this is gonna be another journey to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. I guess you could say I have PIE and PIH. Let's just see what 3 months can do with our whole of 4B skincare. I'm running late out of class, and yeah, see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my face. Okay, so my face is now dry. Let's just do our nighttime skincare routine. Last step. And it's done. Alright guys, so finally, our nighttime skincare routine is done. I just changed my background. It's pretty good, right? So the next thing that I will do, I think I will try to get a microphone so that you can hear my voice clearer. And I guess let's see how my skin looks like. Now it's finally gone. Like I said in the earlier days before, it will be gone in just a day or two. And it's gone in 2 days. We just have to wait for this hyperpigmentation to fade away soon. Stay tuned for that, keep fighting, and I'll see you guys next time. Wait guys, for bloopers I guess, I have a few things that I wanna know what your thoughts about. So I have this guitar, you know? This guitar is, I guess we could learn together about guitar. If you're interested in that, please let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll see you soon. Peace.